It is Ohio gun season, and we got phone calls coming in. Let's go. It's cold, it's windy, it's winter. There's a coyote. Oh, would you look at that? It is snowing. Yes, it is snowing right now in the great state of Ohio. It is Ohio gun season, and we got phone calls coming in, and we've got to go do some recovery. Gonna load up my stuff, and then we're gonna be out of here. Yes! Cold winter. I don't know that I'm ready. I'm not ready. I gotta get ready because it's here. It's not gonna wait on me. Hey folks, I want to let you know, in the month of January, we are going to give a complete drone deer recovery kit away to a lucky winner. The easiest way to enter is to go to the website and buy this new merch drop. It's gonna be wild. Check out the website for more details, but that's the easiest way to get in. I appreciate it. Back to the video. Let's go do this thing. I don't know. Snow is just one of those things, like, I think it's kind of pretty, but I don't really like working in. I don't know, because it's cold. I'm not a big, huge fan of coldness. Let's go. Man, I hope we find this thing. I find them in the snow all the time. I just don't know if the conditions will stay good for long enough on finding this deer. If this is your very first time here on this channel, hit the subscribe. What that does, it just tells the algorithm that this content is good for other people to watch that have the same interests that you do. And if this is something you want to do where you use thermal imaging drones to find people's deer, or anything that has a heat signature. It could be, you know, lost people, it could be lost pets, deer, bear, elk, you name it. You can use these thermal imaging drones for it. Check it out on DroneDeerRecovery.com. We sell the complete kit. Everything you see me fly in an easy to buy kit. That way there's no guessing for you. You can just buy it right from us. You can also list your thermal drone business on our website, DroneDeerRecovery.com. That way anybody in the nation that goes to our website can find pilots near them. Well, just got done fueling, and that's what I thought. The sun is coming out, the clouds are breaking up. Not good. If you know where the deer are, you might get lucky where he's laying in an area that's shaded. His body will still show up red, but not ideal doing it in the sun. Hopefully it'll just become overcast again. That's exciting. It's become overcast again, not as much snow, and we're almost there. Well, 24 minutes, we should be there. It's cold, it's windy, it's winter. Let's do this thing. Should be there soon. We have arrived on location. Customer is not here yet. The sun is trying to peek out. Not great, not ideal, but hopefully they'll be here soon and we can get this thing found. Go down to me.
Ja, we nog aan. Het gaat dat Shanna weet je had dat was ook service en als het er runnen, ze leek net en ze leek dat.
Wie vet han den getracked?
Minute get tracked from them about them about 100 yards from the bush barely.
Du bist not sure about what he tracked guy.
Nej, men att gick ut det.
Okay. Så mer vad de går in the area och possibly
ja,
över då.
Possibly det hela.
Okay.
Ja, det visst.
Så gott du hova Östra Heishi Point.
Okay. Ja, vi kan det nu, okay.
Men så är det. Even om man där driver like grad för bäsa bushek, du ska där du har.
Ja, that's right.
There's a coyote. Another doe.
dat sinds hij zei doos.
Bunch of dough.
Oh, wat is heel? Zo wat niks.
Yeah, all dough. Another coyote. What the heck? There's a bunch of coyote. Another coyote. You see him right there?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I
You
wonder what.
yeah, so you got one right here, and then the other one right behind it. Man, I don't know. I'm out of options. Go get one Finnegan and Medusa in the house. Right here. Oh man, shucks. Ja, wer is så lätt då det här? Jag så hört den. Abra spetala. Tjej, jamses. Jag vet mycket fan.
We're out of here. Doggone. You know, as soon as I start finding coyote, it's not good. Like, we're not able to find his buck, but we found a bunch of doe, coyote, another buck, little bucks. So yeah, that's it. That's what we're gonna do. I just got done on one here. Could not find this buck, but Jason is planning on meeting me out here, and we're gonna see if we can find this buck.
Well,
That's him.
that's him. I cannot believe that didn't kill him. Eben Pennehan.
Isn't that crazy? A shotgun and the deer is still alive. Looks good. The hit looks good, but must have not penetrated. I don't know. Pretty crazy. Jay was able to find that buck. You know, give the hunter peace of mind that he's still alive. Unfortunately, he's not dead. You know, maybe he'll get another shot. But I tell you what, these deer can take some unbelievable things. It is just mind blowing. That's all we got for this one. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.